I had to use my impact to remove the bolt as it was completely solid. It has not been removed from this mower in over 10 years. Using the grinder to grind out all the chips and bumps in the blade. Make sure you keep your angle level to what it was already there so you don't overdo it or underdo it. As you can see, the blade is looking extremely sharp in just a few minutes of using the grinder on it. And it's as simple as that. One nice sharp lawnmower blade. Very sharp. Anyway, it's that simple. Just take the blade off and just use a grinder to grind the blade back and take out all the chips. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like if you liked the video or dislike if you didn't, and please subscribe. All that's left to do now is just place the blade back on the mower, but make sure you have it the right way around. Thanks for watching.